This is our 5-minute adhesive, G5 in the West System range. The pack is an 865-1. 2 little squeezy bottles. Make up a little mix. Show how simple it is. This is 1:1 by weight or 1:1 by volume. So we can do this just by eye. Dispensing 2 equal puddles. Mixing it together. And this gives us an excellent 5-minute curing adhesive. With it curing in 5 minutes, you can tack something together and anybody can sit and hold it for 5 minutes, or you can find a way of clamping it pretty simply. Uses for this are tack bonding. So if you have 2 pieces of timber that you need to hold together while you run a stronger fillet, for example, take a small amount, couple of blobs, tack it in place. Use the bottles to keep it in the orientation you want. 5 minutes later, bottles can be removed and you can run your nice strong fillets.